Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetrading.com, making this video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week from 21st to 25th of October 2024. So let's get started. At the end of this video, I will show a little bit of like an update on gold as well, what the heck gold is doing, right? For some of you trading gold. All right, so let's get started. The week started on the 21st October. This is the first trade. It was actually um, taken by the EA. Most of, as you will see, 99% of my trades are opened by the EA, the expert advisor, the robot that I have, which opens the trade automatically and plays the SL and all of that. When you see that little green arrow here, that means that this trade was opened by the EA automatically. So with my analysis, after I do my analysis, I place the robot long only or short only to the different pairs where I think that they're going to go up or down. And once if the setup is there, it opens the trade. Right? Even if you open a wrong one, it closes immediately, like SL hit, either break even or 25 pip loss, and then after that, second entry comes and it opens the second trade as well. Right? So catches the big one anyway. So this is what it is. This is the first trade, USD yen, 7-minute chart. I'm going to go a little faster now. And Euro Aussie, 7-minute chart for 60 pip here. And then this one, pound Aussie 7-minute chart on the 22nd. You can see that this little arrow that I'm talking about. Whenever you see the arrow, then that means that trade was opened by the EA. This was also trade opened by the EA for 50 pip, pound USD 7-minute chart. Gold went up here on the 22nd, and this was open, I think, manually. I don't see the arrow here. So, yeah, once in a while, if I'm here or if my son is here, he opens the trade. If not, then, like most of the time, it is opened by the EA. This one definitely opened by the EA, GJ, and chart. Very big trade for 135 pip buy orders. And this yellow mark shows that buy order and a sell move to break even. Plus, USD yen here also opened by the EF 95 pip on the 22nd. And CAD yen of yen was getting weaker. The beauty about the yen index of watching, we watch yen index, right? On the other computer, I watch it all the time. So if yen index is getting weaker, all yen pair are going to move in the same direction, right? So that's why you see all yen pairs long, 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 long. And this is 85 pip opened by the EA here. Then this is euro yen again. This is from the 20-minute chart. Arrow is there. That means it was opened by the EA for 115 pip from the other computer. 20 minutes are on the other side. The 7-minute chart here opened by the EA for 65 pip by order. And then this is a euro Aussie opened by the EA here exactly. And it's for 75 pip, right? So when you join and you learn and you get the alarm version, so you can use that alarm version, open the trades yourself and select few pairs, right? A few instruments. You don't have to go all over the place like me because I'm a teacher and I do teaching one-on-one and this and that. So a lot of people, different people ask me different instruments, right? Some trading Aussie pairs like Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, some trades only the yen pairs, some trades only the Euro USD, Pound USD, right? Some trades NASDAQ, some trades S&P 500. So I'm all over the place, right? But one single person, it is very hard to do individually, even especially when you don't have this EA. Even myself, I cannot do maybe 3 or 4 trades a week, not more than that, without the EA, because you cannot be in front of the computer all the time, right? So that's how it is. But once you learn, even 3 or 4 good trades a week will give you maybe 200, 300 pip easy with the system, right? And that's all you need. Right, so gold, let's look at that. This dropping beautiful entry here by the book. This was the entry taken out, SL was taken out at break even, the second entry, and then this was taken manually, by the way. And there is no error here, right? So, but I forgot to place on the Telegram. I'm getting old. I'm too much all over the place. This is taken by the E here, Bitcoin 13, box size 13,000. The sell order is right there, and from here to here. And this one pound yen for 95 pip, taken by the EA right there. And this one gold going to the upside. I'll explain why I have some short and some long after that in gold. right? Very easy to understand. And if you understand that, Elliott wave or harmonic pattern or whatever, that how they make moves up and down, right? And then goes up and then go down, a correction. What is the impulse wave? What is the correction wave? Then you can trade those legs very, very easily, especially when you have the setup like this one. I wouldn't go long after going short blindly unless I have the setup. I have a setup here. The EA took the tape. I place the order, the EA there, and then boom, it takes. This EA a little bit different than the other one. It stands oil and gold, so it has a different calculation, all of that. Now, this one is CAD yen going down here all the way for 60 pip from on the 24. This is Bitcoin now going to the upside. You see, you just saw it's a down move and then the up move. That why? Because all these instruments always making Elliott waves harmonic patterns, right? One level to another. This, up and down, up and down. Euro-Aussie, a beautiful long setup here for 110 pip from the 20-minute chart on the 24, and pound Aussie on the 25th from 7-minute chart. Entry was right there. Sometimes you get the entry on the 20-minute chart, sometimes on the 7-minute chart. So I have my EA on both. Both charts are open on the different computers, and EAs are like this one, 7-minute live. That's what it is. Now this one Nasdaq. This is Omar's thing, and he had it open and then placed this and this EA is still again different setting and all of that. It's called indices, right? So indices have different settings for different instruments. S&P 500 is different. The Nasdaq is different. Everything is different. All the indices, they have different settings. So that's why we have different EF for that. This one, pound yen 7-minute going to the upside from here, 65 pip on the 25th, Friday. And this is pound Aussie. This is the entry, and it went up. It came down, second entry, but I was still in the trade, so it went all the way to 80 pip here on the 25th. I closed. On this one, you can see gold now. Again, you see that this is the long that I took. This was the entry here. It went up, and SL hit at break even, and then this was the second entry, and it went up all the way, and probably still going to the upside a little bit more, but it's very close to the target. So I close here, right? What the heck is the target and why I went long and let me show it to you right now. Gold, I made a chart. It's a lot of charts I made, but lately I'm just going to show one time frame, 4-hour chart. This was my 4-hour chart with Elliott wave count and all of that on 9th October. Saying that this is wave 3, this is wave 4 ending, and from here we're going to go up for this wave, blue count wave 5, to finish up this black Roman wave 3, and then we're going to drop. That's what the plan was, right? So what happened is this went up nice and clean, and you can see this is where it went up, straight up to that level, where I said the 2750 my target was, right? So I was going long then, right? Then I made another chart, which I'll show you that this is the chart I made is this at the same date, right? Because I thought this 2750 hit, so now it's going to drop. 23rd, then I made the chart. Now this drop, you can see here on, if I open the live broker, this drop is right there. You see now, it started to drop exactly from there. But it is a small, it's like a bigger time frame chart, 4-hour chart, and compact chart. Right? So you can't see really what is happening here. But let me show you 1-hour chart with a wider candle, and you will understand a little bit better. And this is what's happening here. So you have this harmonic pattern, X, A, B, C, D. So I was going short here, then I was going long here, then I was going short here, then last trade you just saw was long here, this one. This is. Right, so it started to go up, gave me the entry, and then from there to there, and it is very close to the target. What is the target? Let me show you. See, this is called harmonic pattern Gartley. I'm gonna make the chart and give it to my subscribers, post on the Telegram, and then explain that in my webinar Sunday for them to get ready. Right. So let me show you that this is the diagram. This is what bearish Gartley look like. It's when it is under construction, right? So X, A, B, C, D, you gotta trade these legs accordingly. These are Fib calculations, right? So this first pullback is 61, second is 78, and then it's supposed to drop. Now, it could drop from here as well, all the way, right? But sometime it goes up and make the Gartley pattern. Now, the other diagram that I'll show you, that will explain that. So this is how it is, right? If you have a move X to A, then it goes to B, point B, and then it drops here. This is a C point, critical point. Either it's going to drop all the way here. If this is wave 1, 2, wave 3 could be here, 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 right? Or sometimes it goes up to finish up a harmonic pattern called bat or Gartley type of thing. If it is 61, then it goes to 78. If it is 50, then it goes to 88. And then from there on, it's going to drop to these levels anyway. That would be wave 1 and 2. That is what I'm showing here. This harmonic pattern X, A, B, C, D is around 78% because B point is 61. So 61 is related to 78. 78 is the square root of 61, right? So it's going to go there and then drop. Maybe it's going to drop before, but this is what the theory is. And I follow the theory, and 99, not 99, but 95% of the time, my theory is right, and my practical comes along with that, right? So you know all the trades and everything. This is how I do it. So either it could have gone down from here, but when I see that it started to go up, and then I got a long entry right there, and this is where my entry was. Let me show you the chart. This entry. See, it started to bounce from here, and then around 27, 27, somewhere there, my entry, right? So if you look at this, you will understand that this right there, this candle here, you see exactly 27, 27? That was my entry on my, and then from there to there, you just saw the trade. It is gonna go there, I think, right? But today is Friday, so I said enough is enough. I don't want to take a chance. Anything can happen on Friday. It hit this high here, and that's it. So it might go there and then make the turn, and then next week we will be going short, short, short on this gold wave. Weekly chart looks like this: big, huge wave 3 ended. I think it's ended here now, right? So if it is ending here, then we're gonna be going down for wave 4, and then going up for wave 5, right? So the breakdown was on the 4, so it could be this 4 or this 4. Either way, we're supposed to be coming down, right? If the wave 3 is ended here, we're going to be dropping for wave 4. If this wave 3 of wave 3 ended here, then we're going to drop for wave 4, and then wave 5 for this wave 3, and then drop for wave 4. Yeah, I know it's a little complicated for a lot of people, but yeah, once you learn, you become master of this market. And to learn, if you're interested, by the way, I have it here, one-on-one coaching, where I teach Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, SNR level, every single thing Forex or trading business has to do with, and you become master. Simple as that. And then here I have courses like harmonic pattern and Elliott wave and all of that, and Fibonacci, how to use Fibonacci perfectly by the book for good profit trades, right? So yeah, everything is available here. And also my Telegram, I post here, heads up what's coming up, and Geo making along, GJ making, also making along, and all of that. So it's gonna be Telegram is a big help, right? My son has another Telegram service, which is this Telegram signal service. So he posts over there a few of the chart, not all of the trades that you saw. Those are taken by my EA while I'm not available, or my son is not available watching the charts. But yeah, he put maybe 3 to 5, 6 good trades there on the Telegram every week, right? And then my trades are big trades, right? So that if that happen, you have 70, 80 pip, 100 pip shot, not scalping. So yeah, he's learning, and he's doing okay for now. Not very good, to be honest with you, but I'll help him, and then he will sharpen. So you will have some good trades there available whenever he's available. I'm available in front of the charts, and if I see a good setup, then yeah, I will post over there. But like I said, that if you want to do what I am doing, then you need to get the EA. EA is available right here. See robots. So these 2 EAs, and then the others are not there, like for gold, especially Sam's oil and gold, and the indices one is different, right? So any one of them, whatever the instrument you are trading, just get that, and then and take my analysis every week, and put the EA to take the trade. Very, very simple. the ears help a lot. When you are sleeping, when you're not there, the setup happens and the trade is open. And SL move to break even, uncertain, whatever the amount of pippage you set. So it is pretty good. All right, so this is it for now. Just wanted to share with you guys how we did it. Last few weeks were not that good because of the hurricane season, and unfortunately, in my area there was like one and after the other keep coming in every week, and there was a hurricane, and we had to run around here there doing different things and secure the house and all of that. So internet was keep coming up and coming and going and all of that. So that was a mess. But now that that season is out of the way and internet is not going out, so yeah, this week is pretty good, and the next week is gonna be hopefully better than this. All right, so this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and that's where that's how you're gonna get my videos on time. So you can sometimes just like this video, I gave you a little bit of a setup, a gold setup, right? Short setup for the next week. So every video I usually have some kind of setup, so you can take advantage of that. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.